Today, we're diving into the 2025 BMW M4, a car that's been redefined in terms of performance, luxury, and design. This new M4 is not just about the looks. It's a complete package that promises a thrilling driving experience. So let's talk about it in detail, starting with the exterior, the interior, the performance, and of course, the pricing. First, let's talk about the exterior of the 2025 BMW M4. BMW continues to push boundaries with its design, and the M4 is no exception. The aggressive front end features a larger, more prominent kidney grille that commands attention. The sleek lines running along the body give it a muscular, aerodynamic feel, while the sculpted rear haunches enhance its sporty stance. One of the standout features is the redesigned LED headlights that give the M4 a sharp, focused look, while the rear end shows off a wide, low profile with quad exhaust tips that signal this car's performance credentials. Available in several striking colors, including the eye-catching Brooklyn Gray and Toronto Red, the M4's design combines elegance with an unmistakable racing pedigree. Now let's hop inside and take a closer look at the interior. The cabin of the 2025 M4 blends luxury with purpose. BMW has used high-quality materials throughout, including merino leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber, giving the car an ultra-premium feel. The M Sport seats offer excellent support, perfect for both daily drives and spirited track sessions. The driving position is perfect, with an intuitive layout for all controls, and a beautiful digital display in the center of the dashboard. The 12.3-inch digital cluster offers a customizable experience, while the 14.9-inch infotainment screen integrates BMW's latest xDrive 8 system, which is both responsive and easy to use. For audiophiles, the optional Bowers & Wilkins sound system delivers a premium audio experience that enhances every journey. The interior space is spacious, offering comfort for both the driver and passengers, with plenty of room for long drives. When it comes to performance, the 2025 BMW M4 does not disappoint. It's powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine, which delivers a mind-blowing 473 horsepower in the standard version or 503 horsepower in the competition model. This engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed automatic, and the competition model features all-wheel drive for enhanced traction and handling. Whether you're taking it to the track or cruising down the highway, the M4 offers exhilarating acceleration, thanks to a 60 mph time of just 3.8 seconds in the competition model. It's the type of car that feels connected to the road, with a perfect blend of precision and power. The suspension setup is finely tuned for handling, ensuring that it delivers a smooth yet responsive driving experience. The brakes are responsive, and the overall dynamics make this car feel nimble and agile, whether you're carving corners or pushing it hard in a straight line. Of course, all this performance doesn't come without a price. The 2025 BMW M4 starts at around $72,000 for the base model, while the competition model will set you back around $74,000. But that's just the starting point, as there are plenty of options and packages available that can drive the price higher. Adding things like the carbon fiber roof, advanced driving assistance packages, and other luxury features can push the price north of $80,000, especially if you're looking to customize it to your liking. So whether you're looking for a high-performance sports car with unmatched driving dynamics or simply want to experience the latest in luxury and design, the 2025 BMW M4 delivers. It strikes that perfect balance between power, technology, and style, making it a true standout in its class. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Review for more in-depth reviews like this. See you in the next video.